In this module, we'll continue our discussion of the use of English in broadcasting. Now we'll talk about international broadcasting. International broadcasting, that is, broadcasting which aims at an international audience, started in the 1920s. But BBC did not start its international service until 1930s. The international standing of BBC, especially its news, increased during the Second World War when it used its broadcast to raise people's morale in the German-occupied territories. In 2001, according to an estimate, BBC World Service had a worldwide audience of 153 million. A recent survey reports that by 2017, this number had increased to 279 million. And here we are talking about BBC World Service only. The overall global audience of BBC has reached something like the figure of 376 million. Voice of America, the American Broadcasting Service, was formed in 1942. Although America joined this area of broadcasting later, it soon overtook Britain. Radio New York Worldwide provides an English language service to Europe, Africa, and the Caribbean. So this service is specifically for providing English language service to these non-English speaking countries. There was a tremendous increase in external broadcasting during the post-war years, and many non-English speaking countries also started their international broadcasts. For example, Soviet Union, Italy, Japan, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, Germany, and Sweden. These countries offered broadcasts in their own language, but also in English. So all these countries, their international broadcasts included either a lot of English, completely in English, or at least some programs in English. The 21st century has seen a tremendous change in people's lifestyle. We do not only see a change in the way people live their lives, but also the way they access news and entertainment. And it is because of the easy availability of the internet. With so many cheap smartphones available and easy availability of the internet connections on those phones and at homes, the way people access news, they listen to the news, read the news has also changed. So a lot of audiences, a large number of audiences have switched to digital platforms both for news and entertainment. So we have YouTube channels of both news and entertainment. Similarly, there are blogs and there are podcasts where people can listen to the news and programs and also watch them. So, a total of 27 million people listen directly to the World Service English via the internet, the BBC World Service through internet, and World Service English, BBC World Service English podcasts now reach 1 million people every week. So you can imagine the number of people who have access to the news and entertainment, and that also in English. The way English is influencing people's understanding of the world, their understanding of the news, and also their desire to know more and more English to be able to watch and enjoy these programs and broadcasts.